Good morning, Elite Swiss watchers here, and we're just going to take a look at the low battery indicator. This is what happens when you have a low battery in a quartz aqua racer. So it skips a few seconds at a time, and that's telling you it's time to replace the battery. And so this is model number way1230.BB0930. Once we replace the battery, we'll get this listed on eBay if anybody wants to find it and make a bid, put in an offer. Just going to turn the watch around now, and we'll take a look at the the inner workings of this watch. We'll get deep in. So once we get focus, it is the just try and get focus there. And the light's hitting it at a funny angle. So here's the gold-plated Ronda 6003.D movement, 4 joules Swiss R9. And this is the battery that needs replacing. It carries a Renata 373 Swiss made battery in this engine. So thanks for watching, guys. Today's date is the 27th of November 2021, and this will be listed by around the 10th of December. Thanks for watching, and give us a like and subscribe if you would. That would be greatly appreciated.